Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to add a contact form in Google Sites. So make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how you can make your website more interactive. First, open your Google Site website. Next, click on the blank site document. Now you will see the new website that has just been created. After that, navigate to the Pages option in the upper right corner. Now, select the plus button at the bottom and type Contact to create a contact page. Click on Done, and it will appear in your website's navigation menu. Then, go to the Insert option on the right side. Scroll down and click on Forms. You will notice that the folder is currently empty. After that, open your Google Drive and click on Go to Drive. Click on New in the upper left corner and then choose Google Forms. You can add an email and questions to the form by clicking in the respective areas. Type your questions in the provided space to create your form. Add options by clicking on option 1 and typing responses like good and bad. Once finished, click on the Send button at the top. Enter your email to easily find it on the Google site and click Send. Return to your website, refresh the page, and go to the Pages section. Visit the Contact page. Click Insert. Scroll down and select Forms. Click on the contact form and then Insert at the bottom. Now, you have a contact form on your website that can be adjusted by dragging. Before making your Google site live, test the contact form thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. Submit test entries and check if the confirmation emails are being sent. Finally, click on the Publish button at the top. Enter your web address and click Publish. To view your site, click View. Now, people can easily reach out to you through the contact form on your Google site. Google Forms automatically stores responses in a linked Google Sheet. You can use this feature to keep a centralized record of form submissions and easily analyze the data. This is how you can add a contact form to your Google site, allowing you to enhance your website's functionality and better connect with your audience. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.